Welcome to ManyOrange. ManyOrange provides REST API authentication for Jira. So, in this video we are going to set up Jira REST API authentication using OAuth 2.0 token. Now let's get started with the setup. Click on ManyOrange API authentication. Now click on OAuth 2.0 token tab. We will be covering Keycloak setup here. You could also find the setup instructions in the setup guides. Here you will get step-by-step instructions. Let's configure Keycloak as an OpenID provider. Now go to your Keycloak admin console and log in with your credentials. Now navigate to Client. Then click on Create. Enter client ID of your choice. Select Client Protocol as OpenID Connect. And click on Save. After client is created, change its access type to confidential. Scroll down, and enter valid redirect URLs. And click on Save. Let's fetch access token through Postman application. In the Postman workspace under Authorization tab, you will get to see type of the authorization in this drop-down. And click on OAuth 2.0, then enter the header prefix. Enter the token name. Then enter callback URL. You will find auth URL and access token in the setup guide. Copy and paste it in the fields. Then enter client ID that you have created earlier. Now go to Keycloak and copy the client secret and paste it here. Enter the scope. Scroll down and click on Get New Access Token. A pop-up will appear asking for Keycloak credentials. Enter your credentials. Then click on Proceed. Click on Use Token. Then copy the token. Now go back to Plugin. To fetch username through Keycloak, copy the introspection endpoint and paste it here. You will find hostname and real name in the setup guide. Then enter the host name and real name. Now in this drop-down select bearer token. Then paste the token here. Then click on Send. You can see successful API key. Then copy the username attribute. Go back to plugin and enter the Keycloak host and Keycloak realm. Here paste the username, which we will copied earlier, and click on Save. Now click on Test Token and select Bearer Token. Paste the access token that we obtained in the Postman here, and click on Test Token. You can see test is successful. ManyOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.